Hi everyone, this tutorial guides you through the add-on, Kate AI Estimator. First, log into your Markate account. Then go to add-ons for more options. Look for Kate AI Estimator. Toggle it on to enable the add-on. On the next pop-up, click Enable to confirm. Then click Manage to proceed with the settings. Now, go to Settings tab to add job service categories. Here, check Mark Service Categories to specify the category for the Kate AI Estimator. Save the changes. Now navigate to the dashboard to start creating AI estimates. Simply click New AI Estimate button to begin creating one for your customer. Enter job name, select service type from the drop-down and set job location. Now, you can continue to add job details and move to the job details section. You upload photo related to the job. And fill in the job description to detail the job. You can type the description as well as record it. Now let Kate analyze the job information. Select your answers on the next page to confirm analysis. Continue to proceed to the next step in estimate creation. You can still chat with Kate AI to modify any information. Once finalized, click Generate Estimate to create the estimate based on the provided details. Next, you can see Kate AI has prepared the items for your estimate with the pricing based on your last 100 items from the item list and recent 25 estimate. Kate AI also prepares upsell items for you. You can edit them as per requirement. Finalize the estimate conversion process by clicking Convert to Estimate button. On this pop-up, select a customer to whom you want to send the AI estimate. Select the estimate type, either standard or options. Checkmark Copy Job Images to Estimate to include all job photos in the estimate. Now, complete the conversion of job details into an estimate. The draft estimate is ready for submission. You can still edit it if required. Submit estimate to send the completed estimate to your customer. Once Kate AI Estimator add-on setup is done, you can start creating AI estimate from Estimates screen. From the regular estimate creation page also, you can add items using AI Estimator. You can also create AI estimate directly from customer view. Job name will be auto-populated with customer name. Similarly, you can create AI estimate directly from lead view. Job name will be auto-populated with lead name. Kate AI Estimator helps you quickly create accurate, professional cost estimates while saving time and reducing errors. Thank you.